Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you and explain reversal strategy that make me the 23% return in just 15 trading days. Many traders panic, but sometimes breakdown is a trap, and that creates one of the best reversal opportunities. Here, what happened? This is 1 day time frame chart. The name of this stock is Adani Total Gas Limited. So, like I said, the stock has been falling since making this high, that is, see, around 780 level in the month of September, that is 2025. It had been falling since then, and came to this support zone around 500 level and consolidated here and broke this level. Let me go to 1 week time frame. This is 1 week time frame. So came down to this support zone, pulled back and broke this level, but there is a reversal trend. See, there's a big momentum candle after breaking this support zone, and price started to take support at this zone, that is 500 level. Take support at this level. Let me go to 1 week, 1 day time frame again. So most trader expected more downside, but instead buyer step in strongly. See this momentum candle. Then came the key signal, a huge momentum candle. This momentum candle 2 days appear, and there's pullback here and started to take support at this zone, that is 520 level. Price started to consolidate to at this level and making higher lows. See, this is higher lows and then higher lows and higher lows. So it gave me a bullish bias, and that told me too that selling pressure was weakening and big players were gaining control. So I was planning for my entry at this level on, that is April 8th. There is a gap up opening, and when it crossed this level, 500, this green horizontal line, 528 level, I entered. This is my confirmation candle. I entered, that is around 528 level, and my stop loss is here right below this low, that is 500 502 level. That is nearly 30 pitch, and my first target is this level, that is 650 level, and my second target is this level, 670 level. Let me go to 1 week time frame again. See, this is my first target and this is my second target. So my risk is here. It is less than 30 pips and my reward is more than 100 point. I capture more than 120 point this stock. So I exited at this level. I tried to exit at this level, but price didn't close below this level. It bounced back. I mean, it hit my target, and there was a pullback here. So I went to lower time frame for my confirmation. See, it didn't close below this level. If it closed below this level, I'm going to exit, but it took support at this level. So I add up my quantity after this green candle. Add up my quantity again, and on Wednesday, April, I exited at this level. Why? Because see, there is a strong rejection at this level on Tuesday, and on Wednesday again there's a rejection from the same level. So I was expecting market to consolidate or whether come down to this level. So I exited, but I went for 1 hour time frame for my exit confirmation. So this is it. First rejection, and then it once again tried to move up, but there is a rejection from the same level, and I exited at this level. See, it couldn't make any more high. This green candle failed to make higher high, that is 664 and 679. It couldn't make this high, and there was a big bearish candle here. So I exited at this pullback, that is 660 level. So this is my logic behind this reversal strategy, entry and exit. So what I learned, the lesson is simple: don't blindly chase breakdown or break up. Sometimes a strong break traps sellers. If you see strong reverse candle after breaking the support level and consolidate near the lows, that is, see, consolidate near the lows, and buyer defending price. See, buyer defending price broke this level, but it reversed and took support, consolidate, making lower lows, making higher lows, and buyer defending this support zone. That means it can be a high probability reversal trade. So traders, you have to be very careful regarding this strategy. So this is it. Hope you like my video, and thank you for watching.